Rirari ihinda rĩa gĩkeno na mwago mutheri kuri magana ma ciana iria ikinyitie thingira-ini wa iregi guku Nairobi niguo gukunguira mambura ma Christmas. Mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto na First Lady Racheal Ruto matinatigwo na thutha makioneka gukenera na kwigarika nyimbo-ini na mithako iria irahaririirio. Ruto na mutumia wake ni marerithĩirie ciana ici, aciari ao na Akenya othe mambura mega ma thigũkũ.
As we go to 2023, we wish you God's blessings together with your families as you will be traveling wherever you are going, whether you are going up country or you'll be left in the city. We want to wish you God's blessings, and parents, we want to say thank you so much for the work that you continue to do even in State House and in the office of the President. We appreciate you and thank you for bringing up your children in the ways of the Lord and even in the religions that you believe in, because that is the best thing that you can do to your children.
Wish you well. I know we are in a festive season. All of us are going into Christmas. I want to wish each and every one of you and your parents and your families and all Kenyans a Merry Christmas and a blessed, wonderful 2023.
Ihinda-ini riu akiuria ciana kwihuga ihinda-ini riri ria thigũkũ.
All of you, the children of Kenya, you are the very reason why as parents we work hard, we work smart, so that we can give you a chance to be your best.
Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, yetagwo Ngina Mwawaduro.